Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good and I'm also doing good. Friends, I'm just trying to uh, discuss the USA based compliances which we have to remember, which we have to follow if we have a LLC based in USA, and if we are getting earning from overseas country from USA. So what kind of compliances we have to kept in our mind. And as I used to make videos in Hindi, but I'm just trying to explain all the things in English so that uh, the subscribers from south part of our country can understand it. And it's and I'm also trying to get out of my comfort zone and do the new things, right? So please support me guys if I'm making any mistake. And because we all are here to explain the either there is a business problem which you want to explain to me so that I can give my solution to give the solution for those problems. And I'm here to discuss the research which I have done, the work I have done, and regarding those compliances, so that you can aware about the compliances and you can aware about the procedures and when we have to do that compliance and how we can do it. That's the purpose of this video. And now, as in 2024, they have in USA they have come up with a new compliance, that is BOIR filing. Basically in that compliance you have to business ownership information reporting, right? In this compliance, if there is an LLC based in USA, then they have to report the ownership. If an INC in USA, if a company in USA, whatever business corporation in USA, they have to report the ownership to the authority. They just want to keep a track on ownership, so that they might get uh, clear clear data that these are the business registered and these are the owners, so that they can save from the financial fraud, right? So in case of in case of business ownership information report, BOIR filing, all of the owners and all of the shareholders have to report their details to them, right? As and I can assist in that filing. Now, beneficial ownership. Now we have to find out the beneficial ownership. Who is the beneficial ownership, right? So beneficial ownership, that person hold more than 25% share in any organization, that will be known as a beneficial owner. And that person have to report. Basically company has to report about that person detail in BOIR filing, that these are the shareholders, these are the person hold the majority of share, more than 25% in this corporation. And in case of LLC, which is sole proprietorship, in that case that is the 100% based, 100% LLC, 100% ownership is with one person. So in that case there is only one shareholder or only one beneficial ownership is there. So uh, LLC owner has to report with their own identity in that BOIR. And if I summarize all the information in one go, in one sentence, that BOIR is for those who has entity registered in USA, and in USA they have to file this with the department about the beneficial owners, that ownership which who has hold more than 25% share. And I tried to explain it. If still you guys left with some queries or have some doubts, you can easily comment in the comment section, or you can contact me. We can discuss it later. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.